President Emerson Mnangagwa has once again pledged a crackdown on corruption. Yet critics argue that while lofty promises are made, looting by well-connected individuals, often referred to locally as Rugananda, continues unabated. Salabina Mashkubra Pankwana Mnangagwa speaks of ending corruption as Rugananda loot state resources at will. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a statement marking the 2025 International Anti-Corruption Day on Tuesday, Mnangagwa reaffirmed his commitment to uphold good governance, strengthen institutional integrity, and maintain a zero-tolerance stance on corruption. He touted achievements under the National Anti-Corruption Strategy, which he launched in 2020, claiming that close to 2.5 cases have been investigated, over 800 dockets sent to the National Prosecuting Authority, with a 60% conviction rate, and assets worth more than 20 million recovered. However, opposition voices and civil society observers argue that these numbers paint a misleading picture. Many high-profile cases appear stalled or result in minimal penalties, while insiders continue to exploit state resources with impunity. As one activist noted, the president talks about zero tolerance, yet the so-called Rugananda continue to move freely, looting public funds, while ordinary citizens suffer. Mnangagwa condemned the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption. Mnangagwa commended the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) and the NPA, but conceded that more must be done to strengthen their investigative capacity and strategies to expand the perception of a catch and release trend. Critics, however, say the perception of selective justice has only worsened over the years, with enforcement appearing politically motivated. The government also introduced a fast-track court system and approved the Whistleblowers and Witness Protection Bill, intended to accelerate the fight against corruption. Yet analysts warn that legislation alone cannot curb entrenched graft if political will is lacking. One legal expert commented, bills and strategies look good on paper, but unless there is consistent accountability, corruption will continue to thrive. Thomas Konamudapangwa ino chikomendewa awanema analysts nama critics pamsoro the move etora nemtukambiri wenyika bina comment section medu za fungo enyu. So subscribe or like acha to mabell icon.